Yo, what's up, my people? This Jay again here, guys. So yesterday I recorded the course that I recorded for some people who have managed to access it. Today I'm going to give you the example on gold. This gold, as you can see, we have 4 hours time frame. As you can see, 4 hours time frame have already managed to break here. You know, So normally this was a strong zone that was supposed probably to push gold down, but for some reason gold managed to break up again. So after breaking up again, you can see this area as well. You can just see this area as well. Gold just tried also to recover to go down, but it's failed. So since it failed, it went up and did some retest. After breaking here, it did some retest, but retest didn't do anything. At the end, it ended up breaking up there again. After breaking up there again, you can see this candle that is opening here. So now this candle means something, because after this candle you can see it's closed, but it's opened another bearish one, and bearish looks like it is rejecting. It doesn't have that power to push down. It doesn't have more powers to push price down. What does it mean? After opening this, there was supposed to be a strong movement that was supposed to come back down here, either to break back and retest and go down. But since you can see that it doesn't have any power, which means the buyers are still taking the control. You will see this in a good way when we go in lower time frame. So now just go to lower time frame and see this is 30 minutes. 10 minutes did the same thing that I was telling you about, which is this breakup, this uptrend breakup, and this retest, and then it's going up again. So now where are we going to take action from? We are taking action from this and above there. This way we are going to confirm exactly if we are going to have a correct confirmed entries. But then from there you can still confirm it, because this zone have managed to be broken. You can see that it was a strong zone. Since it managed to be broken and price went up and comes back, you can see there was a big and strong movement. Price opened a longer candle with a big movement, and at the same time, instead of creating the new one again bearish, it created a bullish one. From there it breaks previous high and goes up. So now what I see is that gold is trying to set a stronger supporter in order for it to break up and go up again. So let's check what probably 15 minutes is talking about this before we confirm anything. So before we confirm anything, what I see here is a buy. Whatever that is going to be happening here as a little bit downtrend here is coming to retest the previous supporter in order for it to just in order for it to create a stronger supporter and go up. So what I'm gonna do myself, because as you can see it started to consolidate here, creating, rejecting this and this. So what I'm going to do as a regent, I'm going to buy from here. I will buy from here, since I have my account here with 3.5 almost here. I traded this GBP chief. Let me just put a few more gold, and then we will come back and see what will be happening. So I'm not gonna use a bigger lot size. I will use 0, 7 and open probably 6 to 7 positions, and then we will come back and see what will be happening. So in this case, you may ask me, where is my take profit? Let me show you where my take profit will be. But for now, I'm not gonna apply. Let me see where I'm going to place my take profit. Obvious, once profit will reach this previous zone, previous resistance, here I will be making more. So I'm going to push my TP here already on this resistance, and second TP it should be probably somewhere here. Yeah, that would be my second TP. Let me see. Okay, no problem. Yeah, my first TP is going to be on this, and my second TP is going to be on this, which is gonna be about 4,200 probably, and 47, something like that. But even if I can just push it a little bit up to this level, then I think it will go there. But first, let's wait. Let's wait for first take profit to get triggered. Then we will know if we have to close or if we have to hold and go to second TP. So what we'll be waiting for is to make some caches from gold, and then we close gold. So in case you can ask me, where am I going to place my stop loss? So stop loss is clear, is very clear. It's not going to go far. Let me delete this, and my stop loss is going to be to this previous candle here. That's where my stop loss is going to go, because I'm expecting for this pullback to come probably to this. Put this J again, guys. So here we come back with our analysis. Here we are now with our analysis. As we said that we just pushed our stop loss a little bit down. As you can see here, there was stop loss hunting. Normal so stop loss was supposed to be somewhere here on these previous candles, but I know always this zone, always market makers are hunting stop losses. That's why I try to push it a little bit, because this is the area normally we're supposed to put our stop loss. But as you can see, price acted as if it was breaking it, but it was stop loss hunting. So after stop loss hunting, then what happened, you can see it was to go back to the level where to the direction where we predicted it that it will go. So now as we talking, you can see that we managed to hit our first TP, and the price is going against the second TP. So what is your suggestion? Let's check how much we have here now. Each position has $73. And you can see we managed to use a proper risk management. We used a small lot size as much as 0.07, and now we are heading off $100 per position. So our GBP chief, it went back down. But I think it will go up as well. Let's analyze it. So far, since it managed to break this area, is doing a pullback. Let's wait for it, then it will go back. You can see that this area it's been broken, which was our first TP. So we are heading off second TP. I think we were supposed to be closed it. Since we didn't, then we wait for it to come back, but then we can still close it because we are losing nothing. So my people, this is how you should be doing things. I think you understand. So I will start to record videos of courses. I will be recording for the courses of everything. If you want to learn from me, then you will need to pay the access fee to access the course, which is gonna cost a little bit money, which is gonna be just 200. I'm not gonna charge you more because I know that you looking for knowledge. You need to make some money. I know you are struggling, but then I cannot be doing for nothing because you're gonna take it for granted, you know. I will just put that small price as a price of motivation, you know, so you can just understand that you have paid something, so you won't take it for granted. Now you will focus on learning. At the end of the time, you will thank me. So let me just close this. My gold is going back a little bit. It's just going a little bit. I just need to see 4,000 here on equity, then I will close with 4K. So for now, let me just end the video just to avoid to make video longer. Then we will just come back and see within a few minutes. It will be there, then I will just close it. So enjoy your day, guys. Jay loves you always.